Paul Miller, and we're in at the Glen side in the Braid Valley. Lambing was very good. 40 ewes and of probably over 200% lambing. Fatalities, very little. It's been a very successful year. Meat link crosses with a lin and then crossed it back to the meat link again, which I find is a great breed and a great cross. Easy lambed and had no real big problems with the meat link. To me is the breed. 40 ewes and then there's another 20 ewe lambs coming forward for next year. So I'll wait till they're hoggets before I'll be lambing them again.
Robert Hamilton from Scrabo. I'm just up here with Paul, just looking at different breeds of sheep, just going through the problems I had to see if he had any recommendations to help me out. And I think it's mostly, I had a real bad year. I think it was mostly due to too good a condition and the breed of the texel. Too much texel and give me a real problem birthing and fatalities. I don't, as I'm speaking to Paul, he was talking about the meat link ones there, and I've seen them, and it looks a good choice. But obviously it's a lot to do with the yos, too much obviously texel in them, so either mule crosses or maybe like Paul done was start with a lid and put the meat link and then keep your yos off it that way and less texel.